Hey first graders! Today for Number Corner, we're going to flip over the next number. The next number after 10 is 11. Can you say that with me? 11. Alright, let's flip over our 11. And here I have a bundle of sticks. My bundle of sticks is 10 plus 1. So 10 plus 1 equals 11. Alright, so looking here, today 11 is under Friday. So I know that today is Friday. So repeat after me. Today is Friday, September 11, 2020. Awesome job, first graders. We're going to go to our days in school now. In our days in school, we're going to color in another day for Friday. Alright, so now I need to count how many days we've been in school. Let's see. So we know that this right here is 10. Right? So we have 10, and let's use counting on. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So we have been in school for 17 days. That is so crazy. Alrighty, let's go to our number formation. Why don't you get your finger ready, and we're going to write 17 together. What comes first, the 1 or the 7? You're right, it's the 1. So we're going to write 1, and a 7 is across and down, just like I did. Now I'm thinking, what's an equation to 17? What would an equation be to 17? Oh, okay, so I can do 17 plus 0 equals 17. Or, I know that 16 plus 1 equals 17. Yeah, great job, friends. All right. The last thing we're going to do today is our nickel and penny poem. So repeat after Miss U. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat. You're worth 5 cents. I know that. So a nickel is worth 5 cents, and we know it's a nickel because it kind of looks gray. I know you can't tell in the picture here, but here are some nickels, and a nickel is worth 5 cents. Can you show me 5 fingers? Amazing. All right, let's keep going. All right, we are now going to do our pennies, and our pennies right here are brown. They are copper brown. So let's say our poem together. Penny, penny, easily spent, copper brown, and worth 1 cent. Great, and a penny is worth 1 cent. Can you show me 1 finger? Amazing, great job. Alrighty. Now it is the time to spin our spinner. Let's see what we get here. 3 pennies. So I'm going to put 3 pennies on my board. 1, 2, 3. How many cents do I have? Well, I'm going to count the bigger numbers. And I know that these two are nickels. And they're both worth 5. So 5 plus 5 equals 10. And now I know that the penny is worth 1. So I'm going to use counting on. I'm going to count up from 10. Count with me, first graders. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I have 20 cents. I have 20 cents. All right, friends, you have a game to play in Seesaw called Flip and Write, and it is going to help you write your numbers. So I can't wait to see what you have done, and I will see you on Monday. Bye!